This is how you're going to set up a Metapixel on Shopify. First, you will need a Facebook Business Manager account. This is where pixels are created and managed. If you don't have one, just go to Facebook Business Manager and then click on Create Account. And then you're going to enter your business details and submit. Next is you're going to create your Metapixel. In the Business Manager, you're going to have to go to Settings, and then you're going to click on More Business Settings right here. Now, after clicking on that, you're going to click on Data Sources, and then you're going to click on Pixels. Click on Add after, and then you're going to give your pixel a name, and optionally, you can enter your website URL for domain verification. Now, once you're done, you're going to hit on Continue, and then you're going to click on Setup Pixel Now. Now, it's time to connect the pixel to Shopify. Choose partner integration. This add code using a partner integration right here. And then you're going to select Shopify from this list that will appear. Now, you'll be redirected to Shopify to connect your Facebook account and confirm the integration. Once connected, Facebook will recognize the store and then tick the box confirming setup, and then you're going to click on next right here. Finally, test your pixel. In Events Manager, enter your store domain and then click on Send Test Traffic. If everything is working, your pixel status will change into active. You can then go to Test Events by clicking on Next to track activity and optimize for conversions. So this is where you can do that. You're just going to click on Test Events in Events Manager. Now, that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Metapixel for tracking ads and conversions. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.